The danger is not over once you have installed the PV system. Even during testing and maintenance you can get an electric shock. When you select the wrong option on the testing device, such as a multimeter, and test the equipment, it will short circuit and injure you. For instance, to test 800 to 1000 volts DC. If you select 200 volts DC on the multimeter, it will short circuit. You should select DC 1000 volts. Similarly, if you select 10 ampere DC on the multimeter, it will short circuit. You should select AC 750 volts. So, as you can see, you must always select the correct voltage or current on your multimeter during testing. When you switch off the LT panel but forget to complete the lockout-tagout procedure, and you go to work on the ACDB, then while you are working on the ACDB, anyone can turn on the disconnected medium and you can get an electric shock. Always lock and tag the disconnected medium and enter details in the lotto register, so no one else can switch on the medium without your awareness. You must also inform your supervisor and get a permit from the relevant authority for lockout and tagout. When you disconnect wires while under load, an arc flash will occur as current is still flowing through the wires. You must always switch off the ACDB, as this will stop the flow of current, making it safe to disconnect module wires. To summarize, select the correct parameter required for testing to avoid damage to multimeter. Lock and tag the disconnected medium to protect yourself from an electric shock. Inform your supervisor and get a permit for lockout and tagout. Never disconnect PV modules while under load to avoid an arc flash. You have successfully completed this video.